Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the exact mode types you want: team deathmatch, capture, or wave survival, and why each matters for player retention. Create a mode manager module script in server script service to register modes and expose start/stop APIs. Next, scaffold the shared data model, state enums, matchmaking tags, and settings tables. Once done, implement a basic lobby that selects a registered mode and calls Mode Manager. Start. This ensures consistent entry points and simplifies later switching. You now build each mode as an isolated module script. Encapsulate start, update, DT, and end functions so modes swap cleanly. Use server script service to run authoritative loops and remote events to replicate state to clients for UI and effects. Implement deterministic spawn rules, round timers, and scoring within the module to avoid cross-mode bugs. Once timers and scoring are reliable, add rollback-safe data store rights and optimistic client UI updates to keep players responsive while preserving server authority. You finish by adding client UI, admin controls, and persistence hooks so selected modes and stats survive sessions. Run iterative playtests and automated simulations to catch race conditions and edge cases like mid-round joins or disconnects. Make sure to profile and optimize hot loops, reduce remote event frequency by batching state. If things go wrong, check for sync drift. Verify the server is authoritative, enforce state transitions in Mode Manager, and add sanity checks to reject stale client messages so modes remain consistent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.